Panjim police on Wednesday late evening lathi charged Youth Congress activists, injuring many, one of them seriously, during the Mashal Morcha, organized against the Bharatiya Janata Party, the BJP government, in the state capital. As the Morcha was headed towards the office of the offshore casinos, the police tried to stop them near Mandavi Hotel. Seeing this, the protesters changed their route and tuned to onwards to another route, wherein again the police stopped them. However, the Tiswadi Mamledar Rahul Desai said that he had not ordered the lathi charge. Panjim Police Inspector Sudesh Naik told Herald HCM that the protesters had not obtained necessary permissions from the district magistrate to hold a rally in the city. He said police were informed that the protest would be held in front of the Congress office, but later nearly 300 protesters took a rally which was unlawful and tried to break the police cordon.
तेजे खबरीक आमी येयल्ले तिका लाठीचार्ज जावन ती खूब इंजर्ड जाल्ली आसा आनी ह्या हेजे बरोबर जवळ जवळ आमचे 5 जाण सुद्दां सिरियसली तांकां लाठीचार्ज जाल्ले आसा. तितून भितर वास्कोचे आसा वेलीचे आनी जवळ जवळ 50-52 जाण सुमार हांकां लाठीचार्जाचेर दुखापत जाल्ली आसा. आमी सरकाराचो ह्या इल्लिगल लाठीचार्जाक म्हणजे सरकार पुलिसांक यूज करून ओपोजिशनाचो आवाज बंद करपाचे प्रयत्न जे करतात त्याचो आमी निषेध करतात. ह्या घडणुकेचो खंडन करतात सामकें आनीक सरकारा कडेन मागता की हेचेर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावचें. ज्या पुलीस ऑफिसरांनी कायदो तोडलो आनी लाठीचार्ज केली तांकां इमिजिएटली सस्पेंड करपाक जाय. वेळ पडल्यार सरकार तर पावलो उपरना, कारण ही 2 फावटी जाली. हेजे पयलीं बीजेपीचे कितलेशेच मोर्चा येताले. अशोच मनोहर पर्रीकरान मोर्चा काडलेलो अंदर घुसेंगे म्हणून मशाल मोर्चा, आनी तेजे नंतर कशें करून कॅसिनोक हेणी ATM यूज केलो हे गोंयच्या लोकांक खबर आसा. हो हे गुड गव्हर्नन्स, जो कायदे तुमीच करप आनी कायदे तुमीच मोडप आनी लोकांक हें करप. सो ही घटना सारकी न्ही. म्हाका दिसता हो सरकार एक दीस सुद्दां राज्य करपाची गरज अधिकार ना. आमी परत मागता गव्हर्नरा कडेन की हो जो सरकार आसा त्या सरकाराक बेगीनचे बेगीन बरखास्त करप, कारण लोक सामके तळमळटात, लोक घुस्पतात, कारण प्रत्येक गजाल जी करतात ते करप्शना खातीर, पयशे करपा खातीर करतात.
There are 6 casinos which are there. They are just taking the people without looking for whether they have taken 2 vaccinations, without saying the RT-PCR. They are just allowing them to enter into the casinos, and they are not following any stringent things about SOP, the protocol. So second thing is, yesterday when we had a silent morcha, okay, that time our ladies, 5-6 ladies were being hit by these people, by the police people. Now under whose guidance, under whose instruction these people are working? They are not supposed to touch the ladies, whereas now we have 5-6 ladies are here who are being hit by the batons, and this is what we are objecting today. Where is the law and order? What is CM doing? If today this is the condition, what would be the condition in future? So BJP has totally failed in its law and order thing. World poker competition. We don't want them to have this world poker competition in Goa, in these casinos. One of the casinos is going to hold it. Why? Because tourists, when our Indian people go abroad, they are not allowing them to enter those countries without all the RT-PCR and all those various tests and vaccinations. And now our government, Goa government, which has totally failed in law or order, they are inviting the outsiders, they are inviting the foreigners to come to India. What about the common man in India?